What's up, guys? Listen up, because today we are diving into a project that is fundamentally changing the game for AI and blockchain architecture. We're talking about PYRAX. While most chains are out here struggling with scalability because they try to do everything on one layer, PYRAX is building a massive modular multi-layer ecosystem designed specifically for the AI era. But before we get into the tech, you need to understand the why. Look, most blockchains just aren't built for the massive data loads that AI requires. At the same time, global GPU power is becoming more centralized and crazy expensive, even though huge amounts of compute power are sitting idle worldwide. PYRAX is the utility play that fixes this. In simple terms, a lot of today's infrastructure just wasn't built for what people are trying to do now, but PYRAX is. So, what is PYRAX? Think of it as a modular powerhouse where security, execution, and scaling are separated. This allows each part of the system to evolve without breaking the whole chain. It's not just a product, it's a system designed to adapt as the tech evolves. Let's talk about the foundation. Layer 1 is the core, and it's built on directed acyclic graph or DAG technology. This is a total no-brainer for speed because it allows for parallel transaction processing. No more waiting in line like on legacy chains. But here's the real gem, the TriStream Consensus. It's a triple threat. First, you have ASIC mining for rock-solid security. Second, GPU power that actually provides real economic value. And third, ZK proofs for instant finality. They even support CPU mining, so everyone can participate. This isn't just decentralization, it's a balanced, high-performance machine. Next up is the execution layer. This is where PYRAX becomes developer-friendly and future-proof. It runs an EVM sidechain, meaning Ethereum apps, wallets, and smart contracts can move over instantly. No rewrites, no friction. But PYRAX doesn't stop with Ethereum compatibility. It also supports WASM and Rust-based execution, which simply means developers can build apps that run faster, safer, and more efficiently. Think of EVM as compatibility for today's Web3, while WASM and Rust are performance for tomorrow's apps, like games, high-speed finance, and AI-native software. One network, multiple ways to build. And then there's the real game changer, the AI compute layer. This isn't just mining. This is decentralized AI infrastructure that works for real people. For everyday users, it means your computer doesn't sit idle. When you're not using your GPU, it can securely process AI tasks in the background and earn rewards. No complicated setup. No technical knowledge required. For developers, PYRAX turns the network into a global AI backend. Instead of paying expensive cloud providers, you can send AI inference jobs, prompt-based workloads, or model execution directly to the network, scaling instantly across thousands of GPUs. Developers don't manage servers. They submit jobs, set limits, and the network handles the rest. One network, one machine, multiple income paths, mining secures the chain, AI compute creates real demand. That's how utility becomes value. Now, pay attention, because this is the most important part. PYRAX is currently in an early, build-focused phase. Because they are a US-connected project, they are moving very strategically regarding regulatory compliance. This is why they are choosing patience over shortcuts. They aren't rushing a token launch just for the sake of it. They are building a compliant, transparent foundation that's built to last. This is exactly what smart money looks for. The dev team is working non-stop and the community is growing fast. If you want to front-run the crowd, now is the time to get on their radar. You need to join their Telegram group right now for real-time updates and technical progress. You should also check out their Facebook community to connect with the ecosystem early. They are also scouting for Web3 gaming studios and partners to build on the network. And the big news, the testnet launch is right around the corner. If you're in the Telegram and Facebook groups, you'll be the first to know how to participate and how to earn those early rewards for testing the network. I've dropped all the official links, Telegram, Facebook, website, and the white paper in the description below. Do your own research, but don't let the FOMO hit you later. Join the community, track the progress, and let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one.